Hello everyone, I want to show you the features of this ExAGs automated grading system that I designed. Let's go. We'll first launch the application. After launching the application, we get to this stage known as the launchpad. The launchpad has different features that we are going to consider, which includes the menu bar, which has the file where you can save, you can print, you register your school in the register session, register term, subject, student subjects. Then you can upload your scores, attendance. Then you can do extracurricular activities. Also, there is this toolbar that allows you a shortcut menu to what you have on your menu bar. You can register your school from there. You can register students. You can register student subjects. You can upload scores. You can rate the extracurricular activities. You can print too. Then you can start a new session, which is a form of reset when the session is over. The name of your school will be here. The term will be here. Then here you can log off like hibernating, and here you can actually exit the program. We have a slight dropout bar here that allows you to be connected to the internet. You can access your Google Mail, your Yahoo Mail, your Google search, YouTube, CNN, Twitter, Facebook channels, TVC, BBC, and many more. Then here is your search engine that you can use to link to the internet when your system is connected to the internet. Also, you will see a small portion here that is talking about license. Yes, this is currently an unlicensed version. By the time we finish this video, I'll show you how you can license it when you have communicated with the person that designed the software. So the first thing that you need to do when you are working with ExAGs as a new user is to register your school. Why? There is nothing you can do on this program if you have not registered your school. For example, let's say I want to upload scores. Scores is the easiest thing that we do as teachers. If you click on upload scores, it will tell you that your school has not been registered. So which means you need to register your school, and it does something. It takes you to a form where you can register your school. That said, there are other things that you can do. Anything you click on will prompt you to register your school. So we need to register school first. How do we do that? You can either register school from here in the registered school, or from register, you can click school. Either one works. Now, when you get to the register school form, school registration form, the first thing you do is to enable the selection to avoid mistakes so that you don't mistakenly enter information that you do not want. So you enable this. If you don't, see what happens. When you select your country, it doesn't allow it. You have to enable registration first. So you enable your registration. Upon enabling your registration, it asks for the school logo. Your school must have a logo, yes. So your school logo is in a particular location that is very far off from the ExAGs directory. And you need to pull the school logo into the ExAGs directory before it can go into the report sheet. That's why you need to extract. When you extract, it takes you to the place where the school logo is. For example, this is the one that I'm currently using. Let's say I want to change the school logo. I will just go to the directory where the school logo is. Let's say I have it in this. Then I click this. Then I'll save it. Mind you, saving here does not guarantee that you have uploaded it. You are just saving it into the ExAGs. Then the next thing is the school stamp. That's if you prefer to have a stamp printed by the computer. If you are going to use a manual stamp, then you can skip this. So upload school stamp, the same procedure, extract it, then you go to where the school stamp is. So let's say you have the school stamp here in ExAGs directory, then you click school stamp, then you save. Then both the logo and the stamp have been saved in ExAGs directory. Now you can browse to upload. By the time you click this browse, it takes you here to click your school logo. You see immediately you upload the school logo, the page here on the ExAGs directory has changed the school logo. Then you come to browse and you click the school stamp. Then you start your registration. Pick your country, the state where you are. I'm currently in Osun State, so let me choose Osun State. Then local government, I'm in Egbedore local government. So choose Egbedore. Then register school. Let's say the name of my school is Baben IT School. That is Baben. Sorry. Baben IT School. So the abbreviation will be BITS, bits. Then address. Say address is in Oshogbo. Then the phone number is 0306786647. Then the email address. Yes. Then website address www.sisbarben.com. After this, you submit. Now, you have to follow this instruction. It is asking you if you have confirmed the school information is correct, because school registration can only be done once. If you make a mistake with the school registration, then you need to contact the administrator to edit it for you. They might request you for a few tokens. So if the school information is correct, then click yes. If not, click no and check again. So click yes. Then it will take a few seconds for it to process the information that you have supplied to the ExAGs. Then when it completes, you will see a notification telling you that you can now continue your work. So the notification will pop up any moment from now. Mind you, the school stamp and the school logo are also going into the report sheets of the students. That's why it's taking a while. That's to ensure that all report sheets are adequately prepared for what is to come. So the notification will come up when it is done. Good. So you can now see that school successfully registered. Now, there's another information. Please take a screenshot of this page for licensing purpose. You need to take a screenshot of this page so that you send it to the administrator that will give you your license. Without license, you will not be able to enjoy the full capacity of this software. So you need to do licensing. If you don't, it's just little features that you are going to enjoy. So please take note. You take a screenshot, like just snapping with your smartphone, and send this page with the logo and the stamp, send it to the portal administrator, and they will get you your license after you must have paid your license. So after that, you close. When you have closed, next thing is to register the academic session the school is. So let's say we are in 2021 stroke 2022 session, then you register your class. Let's say we are using a senior class SS3, we are using SS3C, then you register. This will also populate into the report sheet. It also register and take everything into the report sheet. And a notification message will come up and it says, good. Now, session has been registered. You see something different now? The school has come up. The school website is here too. Baben IT Schools is here. So which means that you can now do a lot of things on this platform now that the school has been registered. The next thing that is ideal for you to do is to register your term. So you can come here and pick your term on register. Come here, select term, first term. So when you select first term, the term here changes to first term. Mind you, this is where the licensing comes up. You cannot access the second term if you have not been licensed. To ask you for licensing, you cannot also access the third term if you are not licensed. So the only place that you can work with is the first term, the licensing. So we can go straight to licensing before, let's say you have paid now and you need to get licensed. What do you do? After you must have sent the screenshot to your school administrator, then you he will send the license to you and you come to help and activate. Then this is where you type your license. So for this, I'll enter the license. So see now, you have unlocked ExAGs. Now see what happens. It has now become a licensed version. You have supplied the license, so which means that now you can come here to change your term. You see now, second term can be activated. You can come here, third term can be activated. So whichever term you want to work with is okay. So let's go back to first term. Now, after you have activated the program, the next thing you can do, or the next thing to do, is to come to registering students, whether it's students or term or subjects. So let's say we want to register subjects for the class. These are dummy subjects. So let's say we have use of English, use of English. Then we have mathematics. We have our Greek, we have physics, biology, Greek, we have geography, we have computer, we have government, we have data processing. Mind you, these are the subjects that they offer in the class. All the students, subjects they are offering. Then we have animal husbandry. So let's say these are the subjects they offer in the class, not to waste time. So you submit again. To take its time to process it, publish it into the report sheet. Mind you, these are things that you only need to do once. These are not repetitive tasks. So subject successfully registered for SS3C. Okay, then you can now exit. You have registered subjects, you can come back to register and register students. want to register students to your class. So let's say you have Adewale, Olafemi, sorry, Olafemi. Then you can select the date of birth of the student. Say he was born in 2017. Then is female. We have Shola Okanlawon. Yes. She was born now. Male. Titilope. Okay. Save. So let's add one more student. Kenny Daglish. So let's say this class, they have 5 students. Mind you, it can take 30 students per class. It's 5 students, so you submit for the 5 students. Submit the report for the 5 students. You take his time to open the report sheet. Good. Details captured. Okay. So these 5 students have been registered. Then you exit, like we used to. Now, after you have registered those 5 students, the next thing is you register their subjects. Why do we need this? You see, in senior school, different students offer different subjects. They are in the same class, but the subjects they offer differ. So you click subjects from select category and you click on student name. When you click on Adewale Olafemi's name, his subject portal will appear. In the subject portal, the list of subjects offered in the class will be there. Then you have to enable selection. When you enable the selection, then you can check, you can tick. Okay, it's offering agric, it's offering biology, it's offering physics, it's offering geography, and let's say it's offering data processing. It's not offering the others. Then you register. Mind you, math and English, they are compulsory subjects, so you don't need to select that for them. Just register math and English, then select this for them. For classes that offer the same subjects all through, just tick everything for every student. So we have registered the subject, we exit. You come to Shola Okanlawon, do the same thing, you enable, then she's offering these ones, she's offering government and animal husbandry, then you register for her too, or him. Shola Okanlawon. Good. Then you exit. The next person is Titilope Sholape. Do the same for him or her, for the subject he offers. Then you register. Then Faith Pelumi, you enable registration. You select the subjects. This is more or less the work of the class teacher. The class teacher will have access to all this. So the class teacher can do this before the subject teachers come to, or the subject teachers can come on their own to register their students as anyway. Then Kenny Daglish. So you enable, and you register. So you have registered 5 students for subjects they offer in their class. Then the next thing that you can do now is to upload their scores. You can upload the student scores. How do you do that? You come to upload scores. Come here to upload, or you come to upload and select scores. So come here, click upload scores. So I clicked on a link. Click upload scores. Then when you click score entry, it will give you a list of all the subjects that you have registered. Remember, use of English, maths, and the likes. So let's say I am the English teacher. I'll click English and I'll upload scores. See, these are the list of students offering this subject. All of them are offering English, so I'll start entering my scores. If you enter a score that is greater than the CA, let's say you entered 45 for CA, it will give you entry cannot be greater than 40. So keep that in mind. So you have to enter a score within the range. So let's say it's 40 and this one is 25. Then this one is 34, 23. This one is 36, 49. This one is 39, 38. These are dummy scores for dummy students. So you submit as the subject teacher. This is the stage for the subject teacher. The class teacher must have finished his work and the subject teacher will come in to enter the scores for his students. Good. Use of English, first term SS3C scores successfully uploaded. Okay. Then, if you are the math teacher, you come here, the same thing, upload scores. You come here to upload your math scores too. Said, okay, 38, 31, 36, 41, 23, 57, 38, 42, 22, 53. So you submit. Mathematics entered. Then the biology teacher can come to do the same. The geography teacher can come to do the same. Animal husbandry teacher can come to do the same. So after you have done that, you can proceed to marking of attendance. You can click attendance here. Then it will give you the attendance page for the students. And you have the number of times school opened, resumption time, which will bring up a calendar for you. Then let's say number of times school opened is 79. Then next time resumes will be, let's say, October 11, 2021. That one is done. Then attendance. The school opened 79 times and you said the student came 80 times. It will not accept it. Times present cannot be greater than times opened. So you must enter a value that is equal or less to the number of times opened. So it came 79 times. This one came 45 times. This one comes 57 times, 59 times, 73 times, 76, Baba. Then you submit. Attendance successfully recorded. So after you have recorded attendance and you have recorded subjects, you can exit. Then you can go to your ratings, extra and co-curricular activities. So if you want to rate the affective domain, you come here and you come to select category and pick affective. If it is psychomotor, you pick psychomotor. If it is spirituality, you pick spirituality. So let's say it's affective domain I want to rate, and you click on the student's name again. Then here you can pick the rating of your choice for the student. 1 is the lowest, 5 is the highest. So you can do that. That's for Adewale Olafemi. You submit. So okay, then exit. Then you can do the same thing for Shola Okanlawon. Submit. Okay, exit. So you can do it for all the students. You rate them, then exit. So that's about how to go about ExAGs. These are just the hotspots of what we can do. You want to send report sheets to parents. Now, let's say you now want to preview your report sheets. You can come to File to save as or print, or you click on this Adobe and come here to print all report sheets or individual report sheets. So let's say you want to check the broadsheet for the students. You come to broadsheet and you click on preview. When you click on preview, it will open the preview page for you. It's the preview page for you to preview the report sheet. I mean the broadsheet. The broadsheet is automatically developed. You see, this course that we have entered for use of English and mathematics is coming to the broadsheet automatically. As you can see, Adewale Olafemi, Shola Okanlawon, Titilope Sholape, the names that we registered, and it will give you the class. So you can preview. Here you can print to PDF straight. And let's say you want to print to, you can now say save. If it is individual report sheet, you can come to any of them. Let's say Adewale Olafemi, you come to his name and you preview his report sheet also. When you preview his report sheet, it will also bring it up for you to see. Report sheet for Adewale Olafemi. Good. See, this is his report sheet. These are the things that we entered for English, maths. You see, the blank spaces are the subjects is not offering. By the time we put scores here, the subject, and the report sheet, it will give you the school logo, it will give you comments automatically. The next time the school will resume, everything will be automated in the report sheet. You see the psychomotor that we have done, the ratings that we have done, it will show up automatically by itself. You see the school logo that we did. Exam number is automatically generated for the kid, for the students too. Their age, due to the date of birth that we put, is there by itself by virtue of automation. So you can preview. Then after, if it is saving you want to do, you can now click on save so that you can save the report sheet to PDF, the one that you would want to send to parents. You are saving individual report sheet this time, right? So it will give you place. So the name of the student is Adewale Olafemi. So just say is Adewale Olafemi. Saving it, save it. So it will save the report sheet. Adewale Olafemi, it has been saved. If it is the broadsheet you want to save, you come to the broadsheet. You click. If it's all the report sheets you want to save, you can save all the report sheets. Just as simple as that. When you are done, you close it. So now, let's say I want to connect to the internet. Let's say there is a parent that you, there are parents that you want to send the report sheets to, their email. There's no stress. Just come here, connect to the internet. Let me connect to the internet. When I connect to the internet, you will see how ExAGs links you to the internet. Now, I'm connected to the internet now. I can come here and click on Google Mail. Google Mail takes me straight to my Google email. So in this case, if it is your school's Google email, it takes you to the school's Google email, Gmail rather, and you click on Compose. When you click on Compose, you can easily attach the report sheet. Here, you go to where the report sheet has been saved. In this case, it has been saved here, Adewale Olafemi. Is that correct? Good. And the email of the parent will be put here. Adewale Olafemi. Let's say this is the email of the parent. Yes, and you send it. The report sheet of the student will be sent straight to the parent. There's no need for any stress. So that is how that works. And if you as a teacher you want to do some research, let's say you just quickly want to search for best schools in Nigeria. This is just a sample research, and you click on search. It takes you to Google and you search for best schools or whatever. You see the information is there for you. So that's how the internet link works. So this is just a little bit of the information that you can get on Bible IT Solutions. When you click here, it welcomes you to Bible IT Solutions. I hope you have enjoyed this little snippet of video, and I'm hoping that this will encourage you as a school proprietor to want to have a great share in this great innovation and great software. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Bye.